Hi, my name is Angela Clark and I'm with Threadwaggle Quilting, and today we're unboxing Elna's. So we are unboxing the Elna Extend Covermax machine, and yeah, so a Covermax machine is typically something that you're going to be using when you sew like athletic wear together. You can do a chain stitch with it. So it's a little bit different from a serger, but it has multiple, cones of thread like a serger does. The difference is that it doesn't use a bobbin. It's going to use one of the cones of thread to loop on the bottom to be your bottom thread loop. Okay, so there's 5 cones of thread. It comes pre-threaded. So that you can start using it right away. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you and tell you the first time I had heard of a Covermax is when they were telling me the different machines I needed to order to be a dealer, and one of them was a Covermax. So I know exactly what I just told you about this machine. I did kind of learn how to thread one of the threads. I was pretty proud that I figured that out in the manual. The manual is awesome, but this is another machine that we are going to be learning together for sure. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the parts, and then later we're going to learn what the parts do. I just want to show you what's in the box right now. So you do get the machine, and you're also going to get a couple screwdrivers. There are a big and a small screwdriver. There is a pair of bent nip tweezers. You have your needle threader, because once again, it's like a serger. You don't want these to drop down inside there, so you want to have a needle threader that keeps your needle up onto the top when you're trying to put a new needle in. You're going to have the brush to clean your hook area and all around the machine. When you get thread nets or thread guides or the little things that go underneath the cones, you're always going to get 5 because there's 5 of them, so 5 thread nets. 5 of the little things that go on the top, right? And then also there are 5 of the cone cozy things that fit up inside the cone on the 5 spindles pre-installed underneath the 5 little spools of thread that you get. You're going to get a pack of needles. You're going to get this little tension cover that we're going to find out about because I have no idea what that's for. You get 2 little screws that also you're going to use for different tension things, which we're going to learn about later. And then the last thing they give you is they give you a different foot to go on it. The one that's on there is solid metal, and then this one is clear so you can see through it. Okay, so, and they all come together in a little thread or a little accessory box, which is very nice. And the last thing you get is the foot kit and power cord combo, just like you would with the serger. There is a cover for it in the box and a manual. Okay, so we're going to be studying this manual to figure out how to use the machine, be doing some research to find out, all the times I would want to use it. One of the things that we want to play with is trying to use the chain stitch to attach backings onto our zipper leaders and see if we like it. It is something that's possible, but that's the Elna Extend Covermax. Once again, my name is Angela Clark and I'm with Threadwaggle Quilting. Please like, share, and comment on the video, and we will talk to you again soon.